Takaunga ko Penetaui, oku kāwai heke no te aupauri, no ngā pui, no ngā tōpito katoa muri whenua. Some things are sacred and should be treated with a great deal of respect and care at a deeper level. We need to guard the sanctity of information about ourselves. And that's what Te Aki Taonga is about, because it represents power. And we've had a history of being rendered powerless. We've got to be champions. We've got to be advocates for the Māori language, for the culture, for everything that we are. And it's important for us to emphasise the fact that unless we take up the challenge to safeguard our taonga inheritance, safeguard our language, then rest assured no one else will. Ringa kaha essentially means get on with the mahi and do the mahi. But we've got a deeper obligation to whaasana, to the Wihongi whānau, to the Mcmath whānau, to the Ruanuku Moana Jackson. It's our duty, ultimately, to get on with the work and deliver on the wawata and the moemoea and the hiahia of that generation, of those tōtara. Te Aki Taonga, toi tū te taonga, haere ake nei.